Number 5.
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Our fourth runner-up for Mutya ng Salabao 2008.
Award sa mama. Ano yung si Rion? Si Rion, man dyan na yung makakuha. Una na! Tumuna sa Rion.
Okay. Congratulations, candidate number 5 for winning the fourth runner-up. And the third runner-up
Our third runner-up will be awarded by our judge number 2.
Our third runner-up had a score of 84.4%. Goes to candidate number 6.
Congratulations, candidate number 6. Our third runner-up for Mutya ng Salabao 2008.
Congratulations, candidate number 6 for winning the third runner-up. And our second runner-up
Our second runner-up will be awarded by our judge number 3.
second
Number
runner-up
4.
had a score of 86.2%. Goes to candidate what? Candidate number 11. Congratulations, candidate number 11. Next is we have the first runner-up.
Our first runner-up will be awarded by our stage director, Mr. Henry Iligan, and Miss Nikki Fuentes, ang atong SB chairman, kung na mga klaro.
Nakita na ginawang close up si Ma'am Nikki.
Nakita na ginawang beauty sa atong
Ay, di
SB
pagkaliwan
chairman.
sa papa o sa mama. Okay. She got a score of 90.6%. Goes to first runner-up, candidate number 2.
Congratulations, candidate number 2. Our first runner-up for Mutya ng Salabao 2008.
Wow! Dalawa na lang po ang natitira. Please move forward, ladies. Who will be? Sino kaya yung magiging mutya ng Salabao 2008? Would it be candidate number 9 or candidate number 7?
awarded by our Chairman of the Board of Judges and Barangay Captain Honorable Titing Flores of Umandalaya.
So, sino yung hindi ko matawag will be automatically Kamutya ng Salabao 2008. Our Mutya ng Salabao 2008 Tourism got a score of 91%. Congratulations! Candidate number 7! Congratulations to candidate number 9. You are the Mutya ng Salabao 2008.
Our Mutya ng Salabao 2008 will be awarded by our Barangay Captain Honorable Dodong Fuentes and beloved wife.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, our Mutya ng Salabao 2008 candidate number